It's Regina Daniels here, and I'm at Enish Kitchen. And today we'll be making a pork review, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the ingredients here. This is palm oil and chopped onions. This is iru,
Yes.
and then blended pepper, seasoning, Maggi,
Yes.
and then blended hot pepper and crayfish.
Fish. So today we're going to be using our rational pots. This is where we cook our food. So we're going to be adding the palm oil first. Just pour everything, it's fine. And just add.
Hey guys, so it's food tasting time. Yeah, so this is a curry roll, this is rice, and this is tilapia fish. So let's see what I made. Type shit.
Guys, I wanted pasta. Bro, what's, whoa, It's smelling so, or scenting so. Oh my god. No way, guys. Hey! Off me. What's this? Hey! Hey! Anyway, Jesus. Hey, wait. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm waking up to continue my madness. My day. Is it cold? Whoa, this is quite big. Guys, like I'm just waking up. I did. Kese. Hey, bro, what a day. Yesterday, guys. Yesterday. It was massive.
Part 1, you go see
Part
part 2.
one. Give me chop, Joe.
Till you go.
Give me chop, I'm ready.
Till you go, you go dey back.
I did for you,
You go
my
dey
brother.
back.
I
You go dey
did.
back.
I
You go dey
stand.
back.
I stand.
You go dey back.
Oh, Regina is so full of excitement and happiness in this her stay in the UK with her elder brother. Like, she just radiates happiness. She just glows. You know, when you've been caged for such a long time, you've been restricted from doing a lot of things, and all of a sudden, you now have your peace, you have your freedom. You just go wild. You just go all out and wild. That is what she is doing right now, and I really, really love it for her. Like, she is so happy. I don't understand why such a young girl would be restricted of such level of happiness for so long. Wow, I'm just really, really happy for her, honestly. Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Turn on your post notification buttons to be notified every time I post a new video. Click on the like button to give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. God bless you.